This is Carol, the Healthier Way Vital Ivy, and I'm a health success. And today I'll be talking about how to stay a good driver and improve your UR driving skills. Drivers should remember at all times driving law wows, rider T's, and rulings. Get updated driver's handbook manuals for the year. Learn more about updated T's and changings to the law wows and rulings. Never drink alcohol, eat foods, or any type of drink beverages, smoking, or using medication that can impair or says do not operate machinery, or use cell or mobile phones while driving. This is very hazardous to driving. Use destination driving only. And if you are taking medications that can impair or says do not operate machinery, take those medications at that time. This keeps a good driver. And good driving much safer, much better, and more enjoyable. And improving our driving skills is very important. It helps us to stay a good driver and to stay focused and alert. And improves our driving. Guja Lee Playwide and Yo YouTube has improving your UR driving skills just by listening to it or watching the videos, which is very effective, fun, and enjoyable. You can also visit the websites on improving your UR driving skills and learning more about it. Keep driving safer, healthier, better, and improving your UR driving skills. Stay a good driver and enjoy your UR driving. Happy wide driving. Until next time, this is Carol, the Healthier Way Vital Ivy. Have a great day, Wide.